Hi, so just a quick video to show you how we can target our participants by as soon as they actually try to leave our website. So there's two different options here using Site Intercept. The first one is the opt-in site exit model, which involves creating a popover asking people would they like to take the survey when they leave the website. That, when yes is clicked, will involve a pop under being pushed to the back of the browser and will pop forward when they leave the website asking people to take the survey. Depending on browser security settings, this may not work in the intended functionality. So there is a second option which is called on exit intent, which will actually only trigger the intercept once someone tries to leave your website. So I'm just going to talk through that right now. You would build out your creative and your intercept the exact same as any other way. Creative types that work with this, the most common ones would be the slider and popover, but you can use this for pretty much any creative type whatsoever. Then you link your creative in your intercept and also specify the target you want to direct people to and set up any logic necessary in the intercept as normal. Then we will click through to change options and you'll see an area in here called display intercept, and there's 4 different options here. Unload is the default and means that the intercept will fire as soon as the web page is loaded, as long as people meet the criteria. Unfocus means that if they're currently viewing a different tab in their browser, it will not fire the intercept. It will only fire once they come to the tab of interest. Manually is running the intercept using our JavaScript API. And this new one is on exit intent, which will only fire the intercept once someone's trying to leave the website. So just to show you what this is going to look like, if I now go ahead and use my editing bookmarklet to test this out, I'm just going to drag that up there. We can go to any website, so I'm just going to go to Qualtrics.com. And if I now run the bookmarklet, you will see that nothing actually appears straight away. The intercept doesn't actually appear right now. There's nothing popping up. I can move through, no problem. But as soon as I try and leave the website, so if I move up past the top of the screen here, then the intercept fires and actually pops up. So you can, of course, have this become darker and something pop up in the middle of the screen. This also works if people go to the left or the right hand side of the browser. Basically, as soon as they leave the browser screen, the intercept will fire and ask them to take the survey. So I hope this clarifies, and I hope this talks through how to set up an exit intent intercept. But if you do have any further questions on this, please feel free to reach out to the Site Intercept support team here.